Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G11 and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So before we get started, you will need a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box. You can use that, or if you can't find it, you can also use a paper clip. Just now one of the ends and it should work just as well. So once you got one of them, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone, as you can see where the pin is holding. Push the pin in and the tray will come out just a little bit, as you can see. I'm going to take it out, and on the tray you have space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. Each slot for it is dedicated for the respective card. So there we go. Once they're on the tray, laying flush on there, you want to insert it back into your phone. You might want to do it carefully. There's nothing holding those cards in place. They could just kind of like jump out. So if the tray isn't going in there easily, don't force it in. Anyway, once you insert the tray, the cards should start working immediately, as they are for me, as you can see. So I'm going to confirm my SIM pin. So SIM card is working and SD card should be working as well. And there we go. So as you can see, both of them are working just fine. And that is how you can insert your cards. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.